Hey guys, come check out how easy it is to install these side mirror indicators on the A90 Supra. To make things easier, I'm going to be repositioning the side mirror by pulling it back. Carefully remove the glass. I'm going to go ahead to remove all 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next step, remove the mirror cover, which is held in by a few clips. Now we need to remove this section over here, which is held in by a single screw. Now I'm just going to grab this and wiggle it out carefully. Now we'll go ahead and pull out the plug and then remove the assembly from the base by pulling it out. Install the new indicators and plug it in. You'll notice that there is a switch, so we can go from sequential to solid just by flicking the switch, and then solid to sequential if you want to change it back. Install the mirror cap. Lastly, reinstall the glass.